In this video, you will learn how to fix slow Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC, improve performance, remove lag, and make your laptop faster. Follow all steps carefully. Subscribe to FIXOffice channel for more Windows speed optimization tutorials. Let's start. Fix number 1. Disable startup programs. Click on Windows search bar, type Task Manager and open it. Click on Startup App tab. Now disable unnecessary apps. Right click on apps and click disable. This will improve boot speed and performance. Close the window. Next step, fix number 2. Clean temporary files. Click on Windows search bar, type run and open it. Type temp. Press enter on your keyboard or press here OK. Select all these files pressing a Ctrl plus A. Right click on it and then delete. Skip. Close the window. Again open run commander. Type %temp %symbol. Press enter. Select all these files by hitting a Ctrl plus A. Then delete all files. Don't worry, these are the temporary files. Then close the window. Again open run commander. Type prefetch. 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 Then hit enter. Say continue. Select all files pressing a Ctrl plus A. Then hit enter. Delete. Once completed, close the window. Then restart your computer once. Fix number 3. Adjust performance settings. Go to the Windows search bar. Type View Advanced System Settings. View Advanced System Settings and open it. Under Performance, click Settings. Then select Adjust for Best Performance. Click on it. Click Apply. Then OK. Press again OK. Fix number 4. Disable background apps. Click on Windows search bar. Type Setting and open it. Click Apps. Next, Installed Apps. Select unnecessary apps. Click on them and uninstall background permissions. Click on uninstall. Close the window. Fix number 5. Enable storage sense. Click on Windows search bar. Type storage setting and open it. Say yes. Turn on storage sense. This automatically cleans junk files. Close the window. Fix number 6. Update Windows. Click on Windows search bar. Type check for updates and open it. Then check for updates. Once you click, install all updates and restart your PC. Close the all window. Fix number 7. Scan for malware. Click on Windows search bar. Type Windows Security and open it. Check virus and threat protections. Turn on. Say yes. Now your PC should run faster and smoother. Once you complete these all steps, restart your PC. Now your PC should run faster and smoother. If still slow, comment below, like, share and subscribe to FIXOffice channel.